Welcome to the Mechanic Desk Help videos. In this tutorial, we will outline our job review feature. This feature allows you to add a link to an SMS or email for your customers, with which they can leave a review of the service provided. Once you have logged into Mechanic Desk, click on the Jobs tab. Then click on the Communication Templates tab here just beneath it. On the left of the screen, you will notice the Job Done email and the Job Done SMS templates. You can input the job review applicable variable into either of these templates so that your customers can leave internal reviews of the service provided. In this example, we will use the Job Done email, but you can add this link into either the Job Done email or Job Done SMS. Notice how I have input the applicable variable review URL like so between the percentage and brackets. Now navigate back to the All Jobs tab, then open a job you wish to finish. Then click the blue Finish button here and tick the Send Email checkbox here. Notice the preview option in blue to review the email that's going to be sent. Once you select Finish at the bottom of the screen, the customer will receive an email with a link to leave a review of the service provided. This is what this will look like from the customer perspective. They can click the link and leave a review like so. Once they have left the review, you will see a Reviews tab here above the invoice for that job. Click on this tab to see the customer internal review. Please note all job reviews are internal, so only you will see the reviews left by your customers. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact the Mechanic Desk support team.